Otherwise mnajua TAC ikifika 45 hakuna, is it 47? It's 47 or 45? Hakuna employment. Sisi tumeamua kwamba lazima mkue kwa hiyo contract na you get the same terms za hao wengine. Imperatively, we are doing this because ECDE is an integral part in the development of our children, both psychological and academic and social. We purpose to also make sure that the learning environment in our centers is maintained to proper standards and turn them into center of excellence. I did promise at the time of campaign, and gearing towards it, to make sure those centers, they are center of excellence. We have a population of over 70,200 ECT learners admitted in 703 centers. We have already embarked on the construction of modern ECD classrooms throughout the county, Nabai, to establish modernized centers. I did mention when the president was around that we have done very well. There are more classrooms again we are doing to meet the needs of our society. We're going to put more money in the construction of those classrooms. It will not be business as usual. Walikuwa wamefanya sijui ni 80 something, and I want to repeat, we have committed 127 ECD classrooms. Yule ananiuliza ziko wapi? I'll show you. Mahali ziko kama unataka kuona. Lakini as long as you bear the cost of moving around because you were there and you don't do it. Kwa hivyo niko prepared kuonyesha. Like in Magenje, is MCA Magenje here? Magenje has, is it six classrooms in one ward. You go to Moticho, 4. Already those are 10. That's unataka tena tukwambie nini? There are so many. Kwa hivyo relax. Kuna watu ambao hawezi tosheka, hata tuoshe wao, tuvalishe wao nguo, tuwaimbie wimbo wa kulala lullaby, then tuwafunike wakiamka, mnajua. Our focus is to improve the facilities into all-round state of the ECD or at ECD centers, equipped with teaching aids, TV sets, play equipment, napping areas, and all basic amenities required in children development, all in a child development, including a sustainable nutrition program. My good people, allow me to say this before I come to an end.